Hey guys, check out this bug zapper. It's a bug zapper. It's pretty good. It's a bug zapper. It kills bugs. It kills flies. You see all the dead flies and all the dead bugs. If you want this products to kill all the bugs and all the flies and stuff, it's very good. It kills all the. You plug it in the walls, and it kills the bugs. It kills the flies. They have a blue LED blue light, and it attracts the flies and bugs, and it kills them. It's pretty good. You know, I had it over a year, and you can find this amazing product on our website, and it's pretty good. And check it out, guys. All right.